So in our previous video we have found that how to use this VLOOKUP formula for this table. So this case 1 and case 2 we already discussed, where case 1 is the simple VLOOKUP formula, and for case 2 we created drop down list, and accordingly this quantity is changing. Now in this video we will search if any data whatever we are putting in this reference cell, if this data is not available in the reference table, in the source table, then what will happen? It will not find out, it cannot find out the value over here. Suppose here is the camera, I have put camera, but here in the item description camera is not included. You can see camera is not included here. So suppose I want that any item whatever we are putting in this reference cell, if it is not available, it is not existing in the item description list, then I want the result, this output, to be in this output will be shown as not found. So how to do that? In this video I will discuss about that. Suppose if it is suppose printer, so printer, if it is printer, then also not found. Okay, printer, then it is coming 1, because printer quantity, you can see this is 1. But if I put here anything else, suppose mobile, you see the result is not found. So how it is coming? This is the formula. We are using the same VLOOKUP formula with some modification. So the formula is equals to, if error, within first bracket, then use the VLOOKUP formula here, then comma, and then within double quote not found, or whatever you want to put here, not found, or suppose not available, and it will show here not available. Okay, again the main thing is that this 3 is the column number, the source column number. That means this is column 1, item description column 1, then this column, this is 2, and quantity, this is column 3. So we are finding out the quantity. If I put here 4 instead of 3, then it will show you the unit price, and if the unit price, if that particular item is not available in this source table, then this will show you that it is not available.